Alright guys, so I am going to create a quick video on how to start a Google Slides presentation. Because for this week, if you go under classwork in the Google Classroom, you have a project to do. Looks like somebody has turned it in already. Um, but you have a project to do. It is a multiple representations project where you are creating an additive and multiplicative relationship, a word problem that represents an additive and a multiplicative relationship. So two separate word problems, and then you will be creating a graph, a table, and an equation to represent that word problem of yours. Okay. My advice to you is make sure you're staying on top of this daily calendar. It gives you even examples here for you to kind of set up your scenarios. So this is a good document. It is posted on the Google Classroom. So please take a look. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to do the Google Slides here. And first of all, to do the Google Slides, you are going to have to click on the apps or go to the Google apps. And even if you just Google, you could click on the app this way, just like I did there. You could go here, or even in the search bar, if you just type in Google Slides, hit search. Here's the first thing, Google Slides, and you can go to Google Slides. It's going to take you to the Google Slides, and from here you can create your own. Now, there are some that are already like pre-made, meaning that it has a gallery of pre-made, how would you say, themes. So it's a template gallery. Let me get that out of here by COVID-19. All right. And you can, ooh, I don't need that. Sorry, opening emails. And you can take a look at the templates that there are here and you can choose anyone. I'm going to pick this one just because. So I start it right here. It is going to open up for me. And my recommendation is to go ahead and title this as your minor check 4.6 multiple reps project. Okay, and you can title it anything you want. That might be an easy way to do it. You can do that, or you can just name it what you want. I'm gonna name this one Shipley's Donuts. Okay, just because I'm gonna go with the Shipley's Donuts. All right. So once you get that started, you are done. This saves automatically. Then from here, you'd go on and you would create your own scenario here. So for example, here you could put your additive relationship or additive, yeah, let's do additive word problem, whatever you want. You label it and you would write your word problem here. Don't know who this guy is, but he is, I guess, awesome. Okay. So I'm going to end the video there. That is how you create and start a Google slide presentation. I am going to make another video here in a second on how to make a table and a graph using the Google spreadsheets or the Google Sheets. All right, so hopefully this was helpful, and we will see you or hear you soon.